Are you tired of struggling with unstable blood sugar levels? Say goodbye to the ups and downs with Insulin Herb, also known as Berberine, an ancient Ayurvedic plant with a centuries-old reputation for transforming lives. This natural remedy avoids the harsh side effects of synthetic medications, instead harnessing the power of nature to support your journey to optimal health. I just want to quickly tell you guys something important. If you want to purchase the Insulin Herb, go directly to the official website and you can make secure purchase and receive the original one, and everything you need to know about the Insulin Herb is directly over there. Click on the description link to purchase your package. Backed by centuries of traditional use in Indian and Chinese medicine, Berberine has attracted the attention of modern researchers for its ability to stabilize blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Numerous studies confirm its effectiveness in managing diabetes and metabolic issues. Berberine works by enhancing insulin sensitivity, reducing sugar production in the liver, slowing carbohydrate breakdown, promoting a healthy gut microbiota, and aiding in weight loss. By improving insulin sensitivity and activating AMPK, our metabolic master switch, Berberine helps regulate blood sugar at the cellular level. It also plays a role in inhibiting sugar production in the liver and slowing carbohydrate breakdown, preventing post-meal blood sugar spikes. Berberine supports gut health by increasing beneficial bacteria, crucial for digestion and immune function. Additionally, it targets stubborn belly fat, often associated with high blood sugar levels, aiding in weight loss. Its formula combines organic berberine with milk thistle extract for enhanced benefits, ensuring maximum absorption and long-lasting effects. Join the thousands who have experienced the transformative power of Insulin Herb. Take control of your health today. Thank you for following our channel. Please subscribe and share this channel with you like.